Friends of the Children does amazing jobs in helping the children's hospitals and many, many other causes. So big round of applause for the effort.
Or we are running short of time.
No.
Can I say?
Yeah, can you say directly? Come here
Yeah.
so that we can refer.
Thanks, Manda, and thanks everyone. There are so many life lessons I am taking with me today. The first one, which was for the children, we don't have to live in any fear. We have to ask questions. And the second thing now, what is life? It's a relationship which goes forever. And we have to teach our young generations all those values which we are taking from here. So that will be my request, my play, my advice. Please do something for our coming generations so we can create a better world for tomorrow.
Thank you.
Very well done.
Can I request Saurabh to come on the stage, please? So now, here is Saurabh and so now we will be felicitating the wonderful team behind Shadi Syllabus. So this play was written and produced by Supreet Chadda. Priyanka Parmar. Vipin Brandhar. And Priya Shukla. Supreet. So now I invite Prachi Kulkarni and Rajan Usalkar. They have thoda sa rewind. Okay, Amol Kirtan. Priyanka Parmar. Vipin Brandhar. Okay. Set design help was given by Anuradha Bhatia. Arpita Kavri. Navjot Singh. Meena Arora. ओके, अब चलते हैं कलाकारों की तरफ। निरंकार सिंह, सुप्रीत छड्डा, केपी जोशी, नमन अरोड़ा, निति प्रिया, राबिया शर्मी, शैलेश वाड़िंबे, पारुल सेंटर,
on Amazon.
इनको क्लिक तो भेजना हो गया.
प्रशांत पवार, ऋषिकेश पेंडसे, गुरबीर कौर, can I invite Prachi Kulkarni? She has been looking after children. Okay, while Prachi is coming down, I will proceed a little further. No production of this scale comes together through the performances alone. We would like to place on our records our heartfelt thanks to everyone who has contributed to today's program and to Natya Darpan's 10th anniversary celebrations. A very, very special thank you to Supriya Joshi for outstanding project management and coordination of today's program. Her planning, follow-up, and calm leadership over the past few months have helped bring so many moving parts together beautifully. Please join me in giving Supriya a big, big round of applause. In the beginning, Supriya had said that she does not like to come on the stage, and I said, it is not your choice today. Similarly, her husband Prasanna, who is a very great musician, is also shying away from coming on the stage. Can I request him to come on the stage? Okay. Our sincere thanks to Anita Arora, who has designed Natya Darpan's original logo 10 years ago and has also created this year's 10th anniversary logo and several poster displays that we see in the fall today. Thank you, Anita, for giving us the We are equally grateful to Aditi Kirtane. Aditi has been supporting us with publicity literature, posters, trophies, sets, and countless last-minute creative needs. Even yesterday, late night, we were sending a request to, change many things and create something new. So, she does it with a lot of patience and generosity. Their Preston Quick Copy are also the sponsors today. Thank you, Arun. Special thanks to Ashwini Deshpande for backstage support and for bringing all of them together. Our heartfelt thanks also go to Lakshman Taishete, Varsha Zadav, Kasturi Zadav, Sandeep Khairnar, Ashwini Shirke, Sujata Pawar, Rabia Shahid, Jatin Bhatia, Ravi Sharma, Manasi Vaidya, and Joe Koves of Chandler Community Center for their generous support. Has been looked after by Manoj Ringe. Thanks, Manoj. For all these plays, we have used a number of rehearsal venues for last few months. So one was Nirankar Singh and his TSJ tax accountants. They are also one of the sponsors tonight. Then Manasi Shah has given a residence. Garden Community House. And the residences of Vaishali Bulak, Arpita Kavle, Prashant Pawar, Anuradha Bhatia, Supreet Chadda, Shailesh Vadimbe, Gauri Sharma, and Manasi Vaidya. Gauri Sharma has done the music as well. Thank you so much. For the 10th anniversary, there were some online interviews to be organized, and there were some interviews we organized in the foyer as well today. So they were done by Soumya Vaidya, Paulomi Deshpande, Prashant Rathod, and Sachin Sethi. And Jatin Bhatia as well. For the program today, and as well in the past, Harish Menon has been doing the photography. Harish video photography has been done today by Sunil Kokre and Satish. Our other sponsors are Chetan's Urban Food Catering, who were our caterers tonight, Patco Creations, who provide innovative storage solutions, AGM Conveyancing, expert property conveyancing services, Trinity, who have organized Hari Om Foods across Australia and also in the far today, Unique Technical Services, who provide air conditioning and CCTV solutions, and Consul Mitra, who help with visa and passport services. One of the founders of Natya Darpan was Dr. Satyam Mishra. I had the privilege of acting with him in a two-act play, and I remember his passion for theatre with great fondness. A few years ago, Dr. Mishra left this world, but his legacy continues through his son Saurabh Mishra, who has worked extensively with Natya Darpan as an actor, director, and producer, including producing our first online show. Saurabh is also a serial entrepreneur and has made significant contributions to the promotion of Hindustani classical music and palliative care initiatives in Melbourne. Early this month, the Australian government recognized his outstanding contribution to the society by awarding him the Order of Australia. On behalf of the entire Natya Darpan family, we offer you our heartfelt congratulations.
Speech.
And to all the speakers who come on the stage, like I always put a condition, before they come on the stage, that you have a time limit. So, which applies to Saurabh as well. Your address, please.
All right. आप लोग भी सोच रहे होंगे बड़ा फुटेज खा रहा है, कुछ तो किया होगा। मैं एक मोहतरमा के बगल में बैठा हुआ था, वो मुझे पहचान नहीं रही थी। अब पीछे बैठी हुई है ना? हाँ, अभी बैठी हुई है। हर कोई आकर के बधाई दे रहा था, तो कहते क्या किया आपने? खुलासा हो जाएगा। तो जी 2 मिनट आपके लूँगा। बड़ा आभार है मेरा कि मुझे सौभाग्य दिया गया है। नमस्कार। सबसे पहले नाट्य दर्पण थिएटर अकादमी का हृदय से धन्यवाद कि आपने आज मुझे यहाँ बुलाया और इतने स्नेह से सम्मानित किया। सच बताऊँ, OAM की घोषणा के उपरांत पिछले 12 दिनों में मुझे 1000 से अधिक फ़ोन कॉल और मैसेजेस आए हैं। दोस्तों से, रिश्तेदारों से, बिजनेस कॉलीग्स, संगीत नाटक से जुड़े परिचित जनों से, और तो और ऐसे लोगों से जिनको मैं जानता तक नहीं। एक आध बार तो मुझे लगा कि कहीं मैंने नोबेल प्राइज तो नहीं जीत लिया। मुझे तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद की एक कथा याद आती है। हमारे 4 वेद हैं, ये तो आप जानते ही हैं, और हर वेद में 4 अंग हैं: संहिता, ब्रह्मणा, आरण्यक और उपनिषद। तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद यजुर्वेद का एक उपनिषद है। उपनिषदों में ईश्वर को ब्रह्मण कहा गया। तो कथा में बालक भृगु ने अपने पिता ऋषि वरुण से पूछा, मैं ब्रह्मण को समझना चाहता हूँ। वरुण ने समझाया, ब्रह्मण वो है जिससे सब उत्पन्न होता है, जिससे जीवन का पालन होता है और जीव अंततः जिसमें विलीन हो जाता है। सोचो ऐसा क्या है जिससे ये तीनों चीज़ें होती हैं और तुम्हें ब्रह्मण समझ में आ जाएगा। भृगु जंगलों में गए, ध्यान में बैठे, लौटकर आए और कहा ब्राह्मण खाना है, अन्न है। जीवन अन्न से उत्पन्न होता है, अन्न जीवन को पालता है और जीव शरीर अंततः किसी अन्न में ही तो विलीन हो जाता है। वरुण बहुत हंसे और कहा थोड़ा और सोचो बेटा। भृगु फिर जंगलों में गए, फिर ध्यान में बैठे, लौटकर आए और कहा ब्राह्मण शायद प्राण है। फिर जंगल में लौटा दिए गए, ध्यान में बैठे, लौटकर आए और क्रमशः ब्राह्मण को मन, चित्त और ज्ञान भी बताया। लेकिन पिता वरुण ने हर बार कहा और गहरा सोचो। अंततः भृगु लौट कर आए और पिता से कहा मैं जान गया। आनंदादेव खल्विमानि भूतानि जायन्ते आनंदेन जातानि जीवन्ति आनंदम प्रत्यंत अभिसम विशन्ति। ब्रह्मण आनंद है, आनंद से ही सब उत्पन्न होता है, आनंद ही जीवन का पालन करता है और अंततः जीव आनंद में ही विलीन हो जाता है। और ऋषि भृगु जिस आनंद की बात करते हैं वो सुख दुख के उतार चढ़ाव से परे एक स्वाभाविक आंतरिक पूर्णता है, आनंद है। तो दोस्तों, मैंने भृगु मुनि की इस सीख को अपने जीवन का आधार बना रखा है। वही काम करता हूँ जिसमें आनंद का अनुभव हो, जो काम करता हूँ उसमें आनंद खोज लेता हूँ। और मेरा अनुभव यह है कि आनंद संक्रामक होता है। जब एक इंसान आनंद में स्थित होता है तो उसके आसपास के लोग भी उसी तरंग में आ जाते हैं और कभी कभी सरकारी सामान भी हाथ में आ जाते हैं। शायद यही वजह है कि नाट्य दर्पण जैसे संस्थान पलक झपकते ही अपने दशकोत्सव तक पहुंच जाते हैं। यहाँ उपस्थित कलाकार, कास्ट, क्रू, आयोजक धन या प्रसिद्धि के लिए नहीं आते, वे आते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें इसमें आनंद मिलता है। इनके आनंद में विभोर आप दर्शक बने पीछे चले आते हैं और उसी आनंद में समा जाते हैं। हम सभी जीवन में आनंद की इस बौछार के लिए, हम सभी के जीवन में आनंद की इस बौछार लाने के लिए नाट्य दर्पण को मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद करता हूँ। एक बार तालियां हो। आखिर में यही कहूँगा कि मुझे सम्मानित करने के लिए आप सभी का आभार, आपके प्यार और सहारे का धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
Thank you so much. May I now request Mandar Vaidya to share a few closing words?
पत्ते बहुत दिख रहे हैं मगर फॉन्ट बड़ा है, जल्दी हो जाए। मुझे एक कहावत याद आ गई, मेरी बिल्ली मुझी को म्याऊं। ठीक है। Congratulations, Saurabh ji, and thank you for joining us tonight. For presenting all the trophies. I would also like you to raise your hands. Big applause for Mr. Mukund Deshpande. Friends, from children, I have got from childhood I have felt a deep attraction to theatre. I pursued that passion through Prithvi Theatre, NCPA in Mumbai, and then the experimental stage in Mumbai. And the journey continued in Melbourne. But many of you all here and on that side of the audience have helped me to shape it. And now that has become Melbourne's cultural fabric. More than a decade ago, Satyan Uncle shared with me his passion for establishing such a theatrical activity. And since then, many families, including Mishras, Deshpandes, Sharmas, Gaindhars, Shahs, Aroras, Joshi, Kirtane, and many more have worked tirelessly to shape this group into what it is today. Especially heartening to see people trained through our workshops with other groups as well. Over the past 10 years, we have undertaken projects in collaboration with Narisa, Urja Foundation, Celebrate India, Maharashtra Mandal of Victoria, and we are so grateful to Mr. Joe Coves, the manager of Chandler, whose support has allowed us to enjoy performing in this theatre over many years. Along the way, actors have told us their lived experiences with Natya Darpan have helped them to feel far more confident in their schools and workplaces. Technicians working with us have found creative satisfaction in building sets, creating music, contributing to the overall production experience. And we have also been fortunate to have a little 2 cents worth of our donation by raising funds for the amazing Friends of the Children's Foundation. Now a little bit philosophical. So it's human nature to procrastinate our own happiness. Anand ki khoj mein. We say, I will take time for myself after the housework is done. Or I will do something nice after the work week finally finishes. Constantly pushing the good thoughts, good things to do for a later. But looking at these and the other 90 people who have contributed and put their hearts into these productions, I realized something beautiful. That they refuse to wait. By turning up to rehearsals every weeknight on Zoom, balancing their jobs, families, activities in the last few months, they made it happen then and there. They didn't push their passion on hold. Soon the stage lights will dim. These sets will come down and the makeup will come off. But a beautiful line from a legendary ghazal also reminds me that our great alliance with you, such a beautiful audience, will also come to an end tonight. So I'm going to say something to you that might bring you back next year. मैं उनको ताजुरा बढ़ाने के लिए वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर चंद घड़ियां यही है जो आजाद है इनको खोकर मेरी जान जा उम्र भर ना तरसते रहो आज And thus, you amazing audience and this incredible team chose to be free in these moments. The physical stage might be empty tomorrow, but what will linger with us are the memories, the hard work, the patience, the perseverance. The laughs we shared and the moments we spent together will stay dearly in our hearts forever. You all did wait for life to happen. You made it happen today. Right here with us for the last 10 years and for years to come. Thank you for living the moments. Thank you for sharing your time and your hard work with me. And to you, wonderful audience, once again, you are the heartbeat of our theatre. Without you, these sets are just wood paint, our dialogues are just words. आज कौन रील्स के 30 सेकंड के रील्स से 1 घंटे 2 घंटे निकल जाते हैं, मगर इतने बिजी भी होते हैं हम दफ्तर में, घर में, कारोबार में, है ना? Still, in spite of that, you found time to come here. Thank you for choosing to come here tonight. Thank you for sharing the precious fleeting moments with us and giving our art a home in your hearts. And we look forward to sharing many stories and creating many more memories with you in the years to come. Today, Natya Darpan proudly steps into its second decade. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the evening. Good night. Namaste. Sabha khairan. हम हाउस लाइट्स ऑन करेंगे और हम पर्दा बंद करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे ट्रिप हैजर्ड्स है और सारे एक्टर्स बाहर फॉयर में आपको मिलने को आ जाएंगे. So you can go from the backstage and then you can... Thank you. Thank you everybody. Thank you.